Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel Kids Fun Schooling. Today we will learn the different parts of the plant and the part of the plant which we eat. So let's begin. Plants are very important for us to live. We can see many plants around us. Plants are really important for us because they absorb carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Without oxygen, we cannot live in this earth. So we get oxygen from the plants. The different parts of the plants are root, stem, fruit, leaf, flower. To the right side of your screen, you can see the different parts of the plant mentioned there. Roots, stem, fruit, leaf, flower. So, the part of a plant is divided into two systems, that is shoot system and root system. The part of the plant which is found below the soil is called root system, and the part of the plant which is seen above the soil is called shoot system. So, the plant system is divided into two systems, that is root system and shoot system. So now let us see the functions of the different parts of the plant and the different parts of the plant which we eat. First is root. Root is found under the ground. The part of a plant which is found under the ground is called root. We eat some of the roots such as beetroot, radish, carrot, turnip are some of the roots that we eat as vegetables. Next is stem. The part of a plant which is found exactly above the root is called stem. Stem may be thick or thin. Some of the plants are having green colored stem and some of the plants are having brown colored stem. So some of the stems which we eat are potato, ginger, sugarcane, etc. are some of the stems which we eat as vegetables. Next is leaf. The next part of a plant is leaf. The green flat part of a plant is called leaf. Leaves are of different types, size and color. Leaf is called the kitchen of the plant because it produces food for the plant. Some of the leaves which we eat are spinach, lettuce, cabbage are some of the leaves which we eat. Flowers. Broccoli and cauliflower are some of the flowers that we eat as vegetables. Flower is a beautiful part of the plant which makes the plant to look beautiful. But some of the flowers are there which we eat as vegetables. Those are broccoli and cauliflower. Now next part is fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds are connected to each other. The hard part inside the fruit is called its seed. Seeds inside some of the fruits that we cannot eat. Here you can see some of the pictures: orange, papaya, watermelon, mango. These are the fruits which we eat. All the fruits are having seeds in it. The orange seed we cannot eat. Papaya seed we cannot eat. Watermelon seed we cannot eat. Mango seed also we cannot eat. Same like that, apple, muskmelon, chiku, apricot. These are also the fruits, but the seeds which are there inside these fruits, we cannot eat those seeds. But some of the fruits are there which we eat seeds of it. For example, pomegranate. Pomegranates are having seeds in it. Those seeds we will eat. Fig, banana, strawberry. These are all the fruits which are having the seeds in it, and we also eat those seeds. Some more fruits with seeds which we eat are kiwi, guava, raspberry, grapes. These are all the fruits whose seeds we eat. There are many other seeds that we eat as food. That is rice, wheat, lentils, pulses, cereals are the seeds which we eat as fruit. Also the dry fruits such as cashew nuts, almonds are also the seeds which we eat as food. So here are some of the different parts of the plant which we eat as a food. We eat some of the roots as the food, we eat some of the stems as the food, we eat some of the flowers as the food, we eat some of the leaves as a food. There are different parts of the food which we eat as food. So that's it for today. If you like this video, if you feel this video is useful for you, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Kids Fun Schooling. Thanks for watching.